Have you ever wondered how dawn breaks in a land with deep historical roots and awe-inspiring beauty? Welcome to Palestine. As the cloak of night gently lifts, a serene calmness blankets Palestine. It's that magical hour where the world is still in slumber, yet the day is about to burst into life. The air, fresh and crisp, carries the scent of the Mediterranean Sea, hinting at the new day's promise. The first light of dawn peeks over the horizon, casting an ethereal glow over the land. The golden hues of the sun begin to paint the sky, transforming the canvas of the night into a masterpiece of the morning. It's as if the sun itself takes a moment to appreciate the beauty of this historic land before fully revealing itself. The cityscape, with its ancient stone buildings and narrow cobblestone streets, begins to stir under the soft morning light. The sun's rays playfully dance on the dew-kissed leaves of the olive trees, a sight that has been a part of Palestine's mornings for centuries. The tranquility of the dawn is broken gently by the distant sounds of morning prayers. They echo through the valleys and bounce off the hills, creating a symphony that is as old as the land itself. These melodies, full of faith and hope, are the heartbeat of Palestine, starting each day with a reaffirmation of its rich cultural heritage. The historical towns of Palestine, each with its own unique story etched in its stones, begin to wake up. The vibrant marketplaces start to buzz with activity as locals prepare for another day. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, mixing with the scent of strong Arabic coffee, beckoning everyone to begin their day. As the first chapter of the day unfolds, one can't help but be mesmerized by the beauty of Palestine. It's not just the physical beauty of the land that captivates, but the spirit of the people, their resilience, their love for their homeland, and their unwavering hope for a brighter future. As the sun rises, so does life in Palestine, revealing a day full of promise and beauty. As the dawn gives way to the mid-morning, a different side of Palestine comes to life. Imagine strolling through the bustling markets, where the air is rich with the aroma of freshly baked bread, straight from the taboon. The scent dances through the air, intertwining with the fragrant spices that line the stalls, creating a symphony of scents that is uniquely Palestinian. Listen to the chatter of locals, a beautiful language that carries stories of their heritage and resilience, echoing in the narrow streets and stone houses. Look around you, and you'll be greeted by vibrant colors in every corner. The fresh produce, a kaleidoscope of hues, from the ripe red tomatoes to the deep green zucchinis, each hand-picked at the crack of dawn. The market is a lively canvas, painted with the colors of Palestine's rich soil, a testament to the bounty of this land. And then, there are the intricate designs of Palestinian handicrafts. Each piece, whether it's a hand-woven rug or a delicately crafted piece of pottery, tells a tale of its own. The meticulous patterns etched onto each item are the silent songs of generations of artisans, their hands deftly moving to the rhythm of tradition and time. Now let's take a journey through the old stone streets of Bethlehem, where every cobblestone has a story to tell. The city, with its ancient architecture and deep-rooted history, stands as a proud testament to the resilience of the Palestinian people. And then we have Ramallah, a city that pulses with life and vibrancy. The lively atmosphere is contagious, the city streets humming with the energy of its people. From the bustling cafes to the lively art scene, Ramallah is a city that embraces the new while honoring the old. As the morning progresses, Palestine hums with life and vibrancy, a testament to its resilient spirit. The afternoon sun casts a golden glow over Palestine, highlighting its architectural marvels and natural wonders. As the day progresses, there's a certain charm to the way the sunlight dances on the ancient stones of the city, giving a resplendent glow to the historical landmarks. One such marvel is the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem. Its golden dome, gleaming under the afternoon sun, is a sight to behold. The dome, an architectural gem, is not just a symbol of faith, but also a testament to the rich history of the region. Its intricate artwork and the shimmering mosaic tiles reflect the afternoon sunlight, creating a spectacle that's nothing short of breathtaking. The sun also brings to life the stunning landscapes of Palestine. The rolling hills of Hebron, for instance, become a canvas of changing hues as the afternoon sun moves across the sky. From the lush green of the olive groves to the rich brown of the fertile soil, the countryside is a riot of colors under the afternoon sun. And then there's the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. In the afternoon light, the sea seems to come alive with 1,000 twinkling stars. The sight of the sun-kissed waves gently lapping against the shore is truly a sight to cherish. But the afternoon splendor of Palestine is not just about its natural beauty and architectural wonders. It's also about the leisurely pace of life that takes over as the day reaches its peak. The locals, taking a break from their daily chores, can be seen enjoying a midday rest under the shade of the olive trees. The soft hum of conversation, the clinking of teacups, and the laughter of children playing nearby all add to the charm of the afternoon. And so, as the sun continues its journey across the sky, each moment brings with it a new scene of beauty. From the golden dome of Jerusalem to the sparkling Mediterranean, from the rolling hills of Hebron to the leisurely pace of life, the splendor of Palestine truly shines under the afternoon sun. As the day reaches its peak, the splendor of Palestine shines under the afternoon sun. As the sun begins to set, Palestine transforms into a land of captivating beauty and tranquility. The day's fervor subsides, making way for an enchanting evening where every sight and sound is a testament to the region's rich heritage and vibrant culture. Imagine the Dead Sea, a natural wonder of the world. As the day comes to a close, the sky, like an artist's canvas, is painted in hues of fiery orange and soft pink. The sun dips, casting a golden glow, and the sea mirrors this spectacle, creating an ethereal scene of tranquil beauty. As the colors of the sunset slowly fade into twilight, the melodious call to evening prayers begins to echo from the minarets of the mosques. This resonating sound, steeped in faith and tradition, fills the air, wrapping the towns and cities in an embrace of serenity and peace. For many, this is a moment of reflection, a time to give thanks and look forward to the promise of a new day. Evening in Palestine is also a time for family and community. The warmth of family gatherings is a significant part of the cultural fabric. You can almost sense the love and camaraderie that fills the homes, as generations come together to share stories, laughter, and the events of the day. The delicious aromas wafting from the kitchens add another layer to the sensory experience. The tantalizing scent of traditional Palestinian dishes, like the hearty maklouba or the sweet kunafa, fills the air, promising a feast of flavors and a celebration of culinary heritage. As night falls, the ancient streets come alive with twinkling lights. These glowing beacons, adorning the stone buildings and narrow alleyways, create a charming atmosphere. The timeless architecture, bathed in soft illumination, stands as an enduring testament to the resilience and spirit of Palestine. As the sun sets, the day in Palestine ends as it began, with an undeniable beauty that captures the heart. From the first light of dawn to the last glimmer of dusk, Palestine has unfolded its beauty before our eyes. It's a symphony of scenes and sounds, a narrative woven in the fabric of time and space. In the hush of the early morning, as the world slowly wakes up, we experience the tranquility of Palestine. It's a serene start, a gentle reminder of the simplicity and beauty that exists in the quiet moments. We witness the golden rays of the sun kissing the landscape, revealing a world that is ready to embrace the day. As the morning progressed, we saw the hustle and bustle of mid-morning Palestine. The streets filled with life, the air filled with the aroma of fresh bread and strong coffee. Each corner, each street, each marketplace, brimming with stories and voices, a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Palestinian people. The afternoon in Palestine is a spectacle of golden hues and long shadows. It's a time when the world slows down again, a pause in the rhythm of the day. We saw the sun at its zenith, casting a warm golden glow over the ancient stone buildings and the rolling hills, creating a scene that is as picturesque as any masterpiece. As the day draws to a close, the evening in Palestine is a tranquil symphony of colors and sounds. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, a visual treat that leaves one mesmerized. It's a time for reflection, a time to appreciate the beauty that has unfolded throughout the day. The beauty of Palestine is not just in its landscapes and landmarks, but also in its people, their resilience, and their rich culture. As the day ends in Palestine, the memories of its beauty linger on, like a timeless tale waiting to be told again with the break of a new dawn.